Hi, I'm Clint Daly. I'm here to show you an unboxing of our complete iGrab FOD Retrieval Tool Kit. Main flagship product in here would be our electrical pliers, the RT-750, 3/4 inch diameter. We have various jaw sets for this tool. There is a sampling cup. There is a Viper jaw set. Fork and tine, and gripping pliers. The set includes extra set screws, as well as the Allen keys you'll need to make all the parts fit together securely. The remote control is also included in the box. It is powered with AA batteries, and it has a simple open and close, as shown by our device right here. The 100-foot cable inside of the box is also waterproof like the rest of the system. And it has keyed, red dotted connection points. I like to keep this double-sided Velcro on that reel so it's easy to take in and out of the box. Line up those little red dots. And just like that, we have our operating tool. Now, to get it into where we need to go, we have to assess whether we're going through a straight line or there's some type of bend that we have to navigate. In the case of bends, we have various tools, such as a spring coupler, a flexible coupler, which doesn't offer the same kind of resistance as the spring, and then finally an adjustable knuckle. The Allen key for this is also included because you would want to set that to the exact angle you're ultimately looking to have, and or leave it loose enough to press against somewhere to change that effect. Push rods come in either 1/4 inch or 3/8. Our 3/8 inch is definitely not going to navigate any bends for you. So you're using this when you're feeding straight and or out over a area that is not supported by anything. From here, you're looking to ultimately attach to whatever length you need. Any number of these, each are 5 feet, and then finally your T-handle, so that you can actually manipulate that front end to get it onto the target you need to grab. Make your connection point. Secure what it is you're trying to grab, and then bring it back out. There are cases where the electrical pliers are not what you'll need to get something out. That something may be better extracted with a hook tool. We have a large hook in this configuration. We also have a smaller J hook. We have a large and small snare. The larger is 1 inch in diameter, the small is a 1/2 inch diameter, and it's that same dimensional configuration here as well, with a 1 inch magnet and a 1/2 inch magnet. Thank you.